Function introduction. pLink function supports multi-device interconnection. After networking, multiple devices can be configured simultaneously. Device installation. The above accessories will be used during the pLink interconnection process. Device installation, 2-channel connection. Step 1. Confirm primary device and secondary device. In the networking process, there are primary devices and secondary devices. These devices currently support pLink function. Taking the networking of Z60 and MINI2X as an example, Z60 is the primary device and MINI2X is the secondary device by default. Step 2. Install primary device. Install the primary device on the front windshield, lens outward. Step 3. Install secondary device. Install the secondary device on the front windshield, or the rear windshield. Step 4. pLink wiring. If the primary device is on the front windshield, connect the 1 to 2-way adapter cable to the 0.3 meters extension cable. If the primary device is on the rear windshield, connect the adapter cable to the 6 meters extension cable. Connect the adapter to the USB charging cable or the hardware kit. Then connect the power cable to the secondary device. Connect the adapter cable to the primary device. Step 5. Run the wires. Hide the power cord in the plastic guard plate of the car by using the crowbar. Installation completed. Device installation, 3-channel connection. Step 1. Install the device. Mount the primary device on the front windshield, lens out. Install the secondary device on the front windshield, lens inward. Finally, install the rear camera on the rear windshield, lens outward. Step 2. Device connection. Connect the 1 to 2-way adapter cable to the 0.3 meters power extension cable. Connect the power cable to the secondary device. Connect the adapter cable to the primary device. Connect the adapter to the USB charging cable or the hardware kit. And then connect the rear camera to the primary device. Step 3. Run the wires. Use the included crowbar to hide the wiring. Refer to the wiring figure above. Installation completed. Networking. Step 1. Add devices. Please follow the steps below to add the primary device and secondary device to the device interface. Step 2. Networking. After successful networking, images of the two devices will appear on the device interface. Tap on any device product image to switch the device. Tap Disconnect Networking to disconnect the networking. You can also refer to the above steps to perform networking operations on the device side.
Hello, DDPAI.